We're going.
Where's her birthday?
It's her birthday. Oh, her gift. We'll give it to her at the beach.
Mama.
Shh. No. Okay, hold on. Here we go. When she answers, sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday, you. Happy birthday. Is that my birthday? No. Stop hearing us.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's not our birthday.
We're probably waking him up.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you.
Can you blow it out for me?
You're like,
I love you guys.
happy birthday.
Thank you. Guess how old I am? As old as your dad. That's what Farrah told me. You're as old as my dad.
Yep.
I go, yep, I'm as old as your dad.
35 forever.
He's 35 and I'm 55. Huh?
55 never looked better. You guys were enjoying the sun out there?
I was having
Moon?
my birthday thankful for prayer.
I love it.
And I was already crying. And then I hear all this and I'm like bawling.
Hannah.
Happy birthday.
Oh, I love you. I love you. Thank you for blowing out my candle. Thank you for blowing out my candle.
She tried a couple times before. I'm like, not yet, Hannah. Not yet.
I love you.
Here we are. There's the birthday girl.
You know it.
Did you guys say happy birthday to Grandma again?
Happy
Oh, thank you. I'm 35.
35 forever. Love it. Here we go, another beach day. Woohoo! We got it set up all here. Looks so good. Love it.
Happy birthday. I love you.
And what do you love about
What do you
Gaga?
love about me?
I love you.
You love that it's my birthday? I love you.
Love it. And she always gives you such good hugs, huh? Makes you feel so loved. Hey, Luca, come tell Grandma what you love about her. Oh, when she plays with you.
Oh, good food.
And her good food.
And banana bread. Banana
Yeah.
bread.
And
Oh,
magnet tiles, huh? That's kind of your guys' theme. Mag tiles.
I know. I went to the pool. You're all wet.
Watch this big wave. Throw it at the ocean.
Oh, I love it. Look at here I go.
Hey, wait, she wants to eat it too.
I want to eat it. Can I eat it?
Here's this.
Oh, you want me to eat it with this? Okay.
Nice, Abe. I love it.
Okay.
I'm gonna have it.
A little one, huh?
Here you go.
You gotta sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to them. Happy birthday to you.
Oh.
Thank you for blowing out my candle. Nom, 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 nom.
Happy
It's
birthday
so
to you.
yummy. Look at this candle. I've never seen a candle like this before.
That's wild.
Oh, I love it.
Like that one.
Happy birthday.
I love it. Oh, can I have a hug? Of course. Oh, I love it. Oh.
Here you go.
Oh,
Nom, 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 nom.
that's delicious, huh? Oh, eat it. Thank you. Wow, special recipe. Can you share that with me? Oh, thank you. I'd love that. He brought over his little thing, made his sand-made cake, and my mom said, "Oh, do you want a bite of my donut?" And he chucks it behind him for the donut.
Oh, so yummy.
He's like, "Yeah, I do." Thank you. Delicious.
Oh.
Say thank you.
Look at Hannah.
Hannah's like, "Oh, did I hear donut?
Did I hear she sharing?
Oh, do you want some, Hannah?
Do you want some?
Open your mouth. Oh, good. Oh, yeah.
Look at this.
Oh. Oh, let Grandma eat her donut. I can't. Oh my gosh. What do you say to Grandma? Yep. They do.
Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. For the rods.
Or the what?
The rods. Hey, now what color do you want? Do you want the green one?
Look who got here. Tia's whole crew. Oh.
Diesel, is he scaring you? Diesel?
He's like, oh, that was done. What?
Fall up there. Right here? Go, Diesel.
So adorable. So adorable.
Swim across, Rose. Swim across.
So fun. Tia's kids are all big and they watch all mine now.
You're welcome.
Yeah. What took you so long getting here? Now this is what the vacation looks like. Oh, hey.
Oh, there's another one.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Tia pushed him in. Get away from me. Tia, put him in timeout. Put him in timeout. Spank his bully. I know. Oh, light it up, light it up. Here we are to celebrate Grandma's birthday. We love you, Mom. Right there. Okay, we're lighting it up. Let's start singing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you. Wait.
He's like, wait a minute. Why did you guys blow it out?
Yay! Happy birthday! There's your fancy cake. Grandma wants them to light it again.
Here we go. Blow it.
To you. Oh, so nice.
Oh, I love
Ice
it.
cream, I think. Something happy.
Give me a
Grandma
And a
hugs.
popsicle.
It meant a lot to him, whatever he
I
said. He
love
knew what he
it.
said.
I love
You love Bubba. It's a bird.
You want her?
Love about Grandma when she lets me swim at her house.
You love spending the night at her house and swim?
I love when you come and spend the night at my house. Mia, where's Mia?
She's right behind
Oh,
you.
I love it. All the things.
Is that she always supports me in my football.
Aww.
Oh, that is that she always wants to stay at her house and she always comes out.
Aww. She loves your pancakes. Oh, I love it.
Something I really love and appreciate about you, Mom, is just I didn't get to see you raise little kids, your own kids, but getting to see you be a grandma and seeing the love that you have for each of our kids really makes me feel grateful that my wife had such amazing parents that raised her, and I feel so blessed that my kids get you as grandparents. And especially you as their grandma, and I know it's a lot when our kids come around.
I love it.
But you love the time that you get with them, and you give them each individual attention. You're always thoughtful with gifts, and just make them all feel special, and they all love you for it. So, I love you.
What I love about Mom is everyone said it, but how supportive you are and how much you truly think about everyone else around you and how to make them feel special. And anyone who's around you knows that you love them. And I thought it was cute yesterday when I asked the kids what they wanted to do to make Grandma feel loved. They repeated the exact things that you do for them, and they were. I'm grateful for that. Just the time you put in for all of us. We all know you love us so much. I appreciate that. I love it. Oh, yummy, Clay.
He is dying to get it.
Give it to me.
There you go.
He said, "I love you, Gaga, because you feed me."
Yeah, exactly. He sees food when he
You
sees
have the
me.
food.
I mean, there's lots of things. I have lots of memories and lots of things, but I think the biggest thing which is really cool that I see with like you do with all your kids and me, like especially me being your oldest. You wish. Being the precious oldest child.
Really? We all know she is not the oldest.
The oldest, most loved, precious, spoiled.
Oh, diva.
Did you get a black Cabbage Patch doll? I love that you just believe in your kids. Like you just believe you never let us, like me, like you just let me be me, even from when I was little, like till my adolescent years, till my 21-year-old age. Like you just always like made me feel like I was enough, and yeah, I just feel like you've never like made my like dreams seem too small or too dumb or too weird, or my lifestyle. Like you've just always been super supportive and always believed in me, always thought I was awesome, like just always that person for me. And I think that was just really important for all of us, like just to become who we are today. Is that we don't have that, like we've never had that comparison, or don't act like that, you're being too loud, or you're being too this, like you've never been like that. And I think, well, like with us, and I just think that's really cool as a mother, and I try to take that into my own kids, is just try to implement that confidence at such a young age. And just I'm just grateful for that, and for you instilling that in all of us, I think, too. So yeah,
Amen. Beautiful.
Love you, oldest.
love you.
My
That's right.
child.
No, your first
the
child, not your
practice.
oldest child.
Your first child.
One thing I love about you, Ma, is your example. You've shown us how to love. What everybody's said so far is just an example of love. How you're able to give it, speak different love languages, and you really are a great example of how to cater love to everyone in person.
value of FaceTiming every night. I would tell people about that all the time, and they would be like, wow, she sounds amazing. She's such an amazing grandma. He already knew before he did. So,
He was like, what are you doing now?
and they love you so much.
Or like, hi Gaga. He knew who I was.
So, we all just love you so much.
I love you so much. You know how special you are to me. I really am grateful for you for everything you do and for so amazing you are. I love you so much. Thank you. And I'm actually truly happy that we get to be on vacation with you.
Yeah.
It's a
Me
beautiful
too.
time. So
Me too.
just grateful for everything that you do and for being the best grandma, mom, stepmom, everything. You're amazing. I know what everybody else already said has been said, but you're just, I love you a lot. So thank you for my wife and, you know, just all that you've done for me. You've been there, I mean, from the moment I moved down to now. So I'm grateful for everything that you've done and for the amazing parents you guys are. So grateful for you.
Thank you.
Love you, Bob. Happy birthday.
Love you.
Love you.
All right. I'm just grateful that we can celebrate another birthday and many more. That you are the wife and mother and grandmother that I get to spend. Love you.
Yay! Woohoo! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Woohoo!
Where are you going?
Everybody clap! Come on! You get a birthday dance! Give her the birthday dance! Come on! I don't know, but I've been told. Ramona. I don't know, but I've been told.
Someone here is getting old.
Someone here is getting old.
I don't know, but it's been said.
I don't know, but it's been said.
Tanya's face is turning red.
Tanya's face is turning red.
Sound up,
Happy
sound up.
birthday.
Turn on down.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Diesel really liked it. Look at his face.
He's like, what the heck?
She has to try and find me. Get her, get her, get her. Michael! Polo! 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 Michael! Polo!
Oh, phenomenal. That's awesome. What? Please come. No, I want to take a video of you.
No, I'm like, come.
Oh, you want me to come? Are you tired?
I want you to a hot tub.
Oh, a hot tub? Okay. And back to the beach. See what it's all about. Oh, there's my light. Well, it just automatically turns on.
Nice salon.
We're here for dinner for Mom's birthday. Dad is so old he can't see without a flashlight. Love it. Okay, Mom, how was your birthday?
It was unbelievable.
Unbelievable. I love
It was
that.
amazing to be with
Wow.
all my kids and to be so grateful for another year
Yep. So grateful.
And I have a different perspective of life. And so I'm so grateful.
Love it. We're so grateful. Huh?
You want to be able to see these things in the future?
I love you.
Just leave you home to go to sleep.
Love you, Mom. Hey, keep going. Here you go. We're all skipping through. So happy. Happy.